Hey guys, it's me, Dashama. I'm here in Hawaii, and I'm going to be doing a 30-day dance challenge for you, and you can join me. It's basically every day we're going to be dancing for 15 minutes to shift your energy, raise your vibration, and just make you feel good, and you'll also get an amazing shape. I dance all the time. I've been a dancer my whole life. I was actually a professional fire dancer for 5 years. I traveled around the world doing that, and so it really got me thinking that this is really a powerful time on earth for all of us to come together and just dance it out. I'll be playing some of my favorite music, from the old school music to the newer music, and every day we're gonna dance for 15 minutes together. Nobody judging you. And that's the key to this, is that it doesn't matter how you look, it matters how you feel. And once you break through the barriers of self-criticism, self-judgment, or any of those kinds of habitual patterns that you might have, then you'll find like a whole world of liberation on the other side of that. So I'm excited about this. This is a Dance of Liberation 30-day challenge, and we're starting today. So leave a comment, let me know I'm in, put the thumbs up and say you're in if you're joining us. Feel free to tag a friend or share this video with anybody who wants to join the challenge and get in amazing shape. 30 days, I guarantee you're gonna feel better and better every single day that you do these dances. Alright, be sure to click like, subscribe to the channel, and definitely click the little bell notifications, because that's how you're going to be notified when the new video has been uploaded. I'll be uploading every single day for the next 30 days. So I'm excited to join you all in this amazing journey of dancing all the way to liberation. And I look forward to seeing you every day. Leave your comments, let me know if you have any music requests, and I'll try to accommodate that as well. Alright, see you again soon. Have fun with the dance. Love you. Namaste.
is shining, the weather is sweet, yeah. Make you wanna move your dancing feet now. To the rescue, here I am. Want you to know can you understand?
Into this house we're born, into this world we're thrown, like a dog without a bone, an actor all alone. Riders on the storm, there's a killer on the road. His brain is squirming like a toad. Take a long holiday, let your children play. If you give this man a right, sweet memory will die. Killer on the road, 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 killer on the road.